Princess Fatima has done some shopping at Jeffree Star with a mystery bundle that has an exclusive mirror, and they also said that there would be no single eyeshadow artistry palettes. First up is the exclusive eyeshadow palette. You got to make a choice. I chose the one that was lavender in star shape. There was also pink in a star, I believe, and there was also a cleaver. This is the one that I liked the best. Good choice, and I don't know how well it's going to show up, but there is glitter and sparkle to this one. I've been enjoying the mirror. Ah, yes, I can see you have. Oh, yes, I have. Next up, because it's a mystery bundle, you didn't get to pick on this. We got a highlighter blush combination. We've not had this one before. This is Skin Frost Truffle Alibi. For me, I would say this is probably not really a blush, yet I'm wondering if this could be an eyeshadow? We have to play with it and find out. This is a Supreme Gloss in the shade Dominatrix. We've had this before, so this is a repeat. Not really what I'm looking for, although I doubt it is this dark when you use it, yet not really my vibe, so I'm setting this one aside for the Find a Future Home box. This is a Velour Liquid Lip Christmas Cookie. A nice neutral shade. Lots of options here. Yes. And we have a Z Gloss product called Control Freak for the shade. That's what the shade looks like. I always like the tops of these. Oh yes, they are fun. We are halfway through this mystery bundle, and my top two, along with the camels, are the mirror and the Truffle Alibi. Yeah, I think this one will be fun to play with and see if it works as an eyeshadow. Yes. What did you see that you liked? Let me know down below, because I'm an inquiring camel. Did you get this? Do you want to go get this? And now, moving right along with this video. This next item is Pink Aura Lip Oil. And we are hearing via the grapevine that this one is being discontinued. We think it might have something to do with certain shades of red that are no longer going to be allowed in cosmetics. That's our guesstimate. I do love his formula for lip oils, and hopefully it shows up. It has a nice doe foot in there. And I like his formula. It's moisturizing, but it's not sticky, greasy, gloppy, gloopy, glumpy, or anything like that. This one definitely gets my attention. It's a liquid eyeshadow. It is called 24K only. Yeah, this gets my attention too. Wow. I would open it, but I have a couple already open and they can dry up. So I'm going to leave this until we need it. But oh, isn't she a beauty? Oh yeah. This next one is a lip arousal in the shade Clear Headed. It is a lip plumper. I am definitely excited to try this one. I do love me a good lip plumper. So we shall have to see. I'm currently in the middle of using two different ones, so I'm not going to dig into this in as much as I want to. We're going to be good and let it wait its turn so that I don't have three of them open, because two of them open is plenty. But, oh, I can't wait to try this one. I might even try it, although lip plumpers really are not my favorite. So far, we are enjoying everything in this half the box. And oh my goodness. Yeah, this is an oh my goodness. This is called Gold Blooded. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. If that's as snazzy as I think it might be, I might swoon. Uh-oh. She's been known to swoon over Jeffree Star palettes. Oh yeah, I do. This is the outside. Oh goodness. Oh dear. This is the inside. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no. You gonna swoon? It happened again. The camel has swooned over the Jeffree Star palette, and I sort of can't blame her. Let me revive her, and then she will do some swatches. Here we go. The camel will now do swatches. Very nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I do like swatching as much as I like shopping. And oh, his palettes make me swoon. And as long as I was on the website and Anne was almost out of this product, I got some more for $34. I really enjoy this makeup remover. It is a watermelon scent, and we all know I do love me some good watermelon. It comes with its own spatula that has a magnetic attachment, so it's less likely that you will lose it. And this is part of the watermelon collection, and it's called Make Me Melt Watermelon Makeup Removing Balm. This definitely is a 5 out of 5 stars, maybe even 6 out of 5 stars when it comes to makeup removal, at least for my skin. So I'm very happy to have another one of these. And I figured as long as we were there and the shipping was gonna be free, might as well get other things that we know we can use. And taking a quick look at the nitty gritty, because that's what she always likes to do. That I do. Okay, so that watermelon makeup remover product was $34. That was in addition to the mystery bundle, which was $100, but is stated to have a $230 value. I did not look up all the prices. I looked up a couple things. The palette is $52 by itself, and most of the lip products and other items are somewhere between $20 to $22 each. So I'd say that for the 9 items, it added up to that stated $230 value. 9 items, limited edition travel mirror, and we went with the lavender glitter. And so all in with our extra purchase, after free shipping, but we did have to pay taxes, we were $144 and change. I feel like we got a good amount for our investment. Yeah, I think it was 9 items very nicely done, and not having to deal with any of those single artistry eyeshadow things. That alone was worth the price of admission. So we thank you for joining us today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. Did you see anything that you liked? Are you going to go get one of these? I think they're still available. We do hope to see you in another video. We have fun things coming this summer. Keep watching. Glad to see you. Catch you later.